Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Cube.
What does the dictionary say?
A solid bounded by 6 equal squares, the angle between any two adjacent faces being a right angle.
Math rap.
Okay, here we go. Now you got me thinking about 3D spaces, like a box-shaped solid object with 6 faces, but those faces are identical and square. Cubes are found just about everywhere.
Math rap.
What do you call the citizens of a country made of cubes? Cubans? Explain what a cube is in your own words. Can you name a few everyday objects that are in the shape of a cube? How many sides are on the outside of a cube? If you stare at this cube long enough, it pops in and out. Research why that is happening. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!